All right, so we are going to jump to technology, and we have this brand Kemove K87, and we are talking about a keyboard. Company sent me a message if we can review or showcase the keyboard, and I must say, yeah, I say yes. Why not? And all right, guys, here is the keyboard. It's a mechanical keyboard, and let me tell you, this is heavy. It is heavy. All right, much better. I had to adjust the exposure. And what else is in the box? I have no clue, but I think this is, oh, okay. I think with this tool, you change the keys or clean it. Oh, okay, I see. Nice. Thank you for this company for sending us this keyboard, Kemove. It's heavy. I'm telling you guys, it's heavy. Here I have my scale. Let's see how much this thing weighs. It's not a regular keyboard. I think this is good for gamers. In grams, we're talking 1,291 grams. That's over a kilo. Let me change the measurement. Yeah, 45 ounces. Just the keyboard. It's wireless keyboard, Bluetooth. 2 pounds, 13 ounces, 13.5 ounces. And this is compatible with, okay, it does have a port for USB Type C. Here are the little legs. Oh, nice. It feels very, very solid, sturdy. I think it comes with a battery incorporated with the battery. And it feels really nice if you want to go retro, but with the, my opinion, with a futuristic look. Here, let me show you. I think there is a switch right here. Okay, there's a switch. Let me see. For Windows and Mac. Kemove 1980 series. Now I'm going to turn on 2.4G and then Bluetooth. I'm going to turn it on. Let me see. Okay, we have some lights. So it does have some. Okay, let me turn off all my lights, including this one. Okay, I need to change. Okay, here's what it went. What has happened? It turned off on. It turned on once you hit the key. Any key turns on, and it's really cool. Yeah, nice keyboard. Let me tell you guys. See that? Cool. Oh, okay. What's going on? I have no clue. Did I hit any something? Maybe I hit a secret code. Okay, now also includes a Type-C cable so you can charge your keyboard. Really nice. Love it. Really heavy. So I haven't read any manual. I don't know if that and that has something to do with this blinking light. I have no clue. Maybe it's pairing. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but I'm typing. It's connected and it's working. You can also, I'm just type nonsense things, but it seems that it works. Okay, it works wireless, wired, and Bluetooth. So check the link in the description. Really nice keyboard for gamers or just to give a really nice, view to your computer setup. But yeah, definitely good battery. It looks like the battery lasts so many hours. I haven't checked yet, but check the link in the description. There is a link direct to their website. Okay, that's their page from Kemove. I'm scrolling down with their keyboard. Yeah, so many keyboards to choose from. Yeah, thank you to Kemove for sending this keyboard. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. I love it. It is really nice, sturdy, heavy. This doesn't feel plastic like those cheap, keyboards you can find online. But this one definitely is very heavy and sturdy.